can apply for ICMR NET examination and why? ICMR is Indian Council for Medical Science. Now students from the social sciences do apply for the UGC NTA NET examination, and then from the life sciences appear for the CSIR NET examination. Both of these now conducted by NTA. ICMR is an exam which is done by the Indian Council for Medical Research. It conducts the exams both for life science and social science. For both of them there is a common paper which is known as the paper on aptitude, which has basic questions related to general science, statistics and the very fundamentals of it, and then one section on life science, one section on social science. The prescribed age limit to appear is 28 years with relaxation for candidates from SC/ST to 5 years and for OBC candidates up to 3 years. The syllabus is the same as prescribed by the UGC, and then a postgraduate degree or a postgraduate degree in basic science or a professional science is important. So the aptitude test is common for all. The whole test appears for is for 2 hours of duration, 2 sections. Section A, which is of 50 questions. Section B is either life science or social science, each of 100 questions. Of these 100 questions, you have to attempt 75 questions from either of the sections. If you belong to the life sciences, these are the sections from where the questions would be: microbiology, physiology, molecular biology, nutrition, biotechnology, biophysics, biochemistry, immunology, pharmacology, zoology, environmental science, botany, public health, veterinary science, bioinformatics. Those belonging to social science would have questions from psychology, sociology, home science, anthropology, statistics, social work and health economics. So those are the broad niche from where the questions would be. Now the final result would be based on an aggregate of 55% marks obtained in both the sections in general category, 50% in the case of SC/ST, 55% again in the case of OBC. So students would have a negative marking as well. -1/4 plus 1 is the marking scheme that would be there, and the paper would be exclusively in English. So students who are planning to appear from these subjects in social sciences or life sciences do also have an option to apply for ICMR NET examination. The complete practice material for ICMR NET examination is available on Doorstep Tutor in the link below. Thanks for joining in today.